Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best adult apps for your Firestick, which you can use totally free of charge. And without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is get the app code downloader. You can do so by going to search on your Firestick and typing downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. You click on it, and now that's the app that you gotta get to your Fire TV Stick device. But after you get downloader, it is not over yet, because we still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up downloader, you gotta go to settings, then scroll down and click on My Fire TV. Open it. And now in here, what you have to do is turn on developer options for your Fire Stick device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it is going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. And from here, all you have to do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally we go to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is, let's open it, and there is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it is of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Latvia right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on your line, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we have to go straight back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick, open it, and then go to downloader. And now what you have to do in here is open that search bar, and in the search will be start to entering the codes. So the first code will be 572048. So once again, it's 572048. That's the first code you gotta enter, and click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. Then you have to click on install and just wait for the app to finish installing for your Fire Stick. And after that, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you'll get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick device. So you click on delete, and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now if you go to the list of apps on your Firestick, which is right here, we'll open it, and there at the bottom you'll find the first app which we installed. So now I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That is the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. So that was the first spicy app we got for your Firestick, but as I said, I got not one but a couple of amazing adult apps for your Firestick. So let's go back to Downloader and I'll show you how to get one more amazing similar app for your Firestick. So now what you gotta do is start entering another code, which this time will be 647190. So once again, 647190. Click on the Go button, and now the download of this app is going to start for us as well. Here we go, the download has started. That took us only a couple of moments. Then click on Install, and here we go, just finish and follow the same steps as we did with the first application. So again, click on Done, and after that erase those unnecessary installation files from your Firestick. Just like that. And now we are ready to go to the list of apps on your Firestick. There it is, let's open it up. And now here's the second app which we just installed for you. Let's put it up front as well, and now you got 2 amazing adult apps on your Firestick. So enjoy the apps and see you next time. Bye bye.